Welcome to the iMobi support channel. Whether you're recording screen operations or creating high-quality videos, having an efficient and easy-to-use screen recording and editing tool is essential. There are many similar tools on the market, but among them, FocuSee and Screen Studio are highly regarded by creators, each with unique strengths. Today, let's take a closer look at their features and differences to help you decide which one best suits your needs. First, Screen Studio. Screen Studio is a well-known screen recording software designed exclusively for macOS. It offers rich recording capabilities but comes with a higher price, which may be a concern for creators on a budget. Now let's look at FocuSee. FocuSee is a rising star in screen recording. It not only delivers high-quality, user-friendly recording but also automates much of the post-production process, making it easy for beginners to create engaging videos. It offers features like automatic cursor tracking, zoom effects and background options, AI avatars, AI subtitles, removal of silences and filler words in videos. More importantly, it works on both Windows and Mac, with a much friendlier price. Let's take a closer look at how the two tools compare. 1. Compatibility. FocuSee supports both Windows and Mac. Screen Studio is macOS only. 2. Price. FocuSee offers a lifetime license for up to 5 computers at $199.99, which includes lifetime updates. It also provides a yearly plan for $99.99 and a monthly plan for $24.99. In comparison, Screen Studio is priced at $29 per month or $108 per year. This allows users with different budgets and needs to choose the plan that best suits their situation. 3. User experience. Screen Studio offers a sleek and visually appealing interface, though it may take some time for users to fully master its features. In contrast, FocuSee emphasizes simplicity, supports multiple languages, and provides tutorials to ensure a quick and smooth onboarding experience. 4. Recording and editing features. For video recording, both tools support full screen, windowed, and custom recording modes. In addition, Screen Studio also supports recording from iOS devices. Both offer transitions, webcam settings, mouse effects, and video effects. FocuSee goes further with customizable webcam layouts, borders, filters, background removal, click effects with sound, spotlight features, and powerful AI tools like silence removal, voice enhancement, and AI avatars. 5. Export and sharing. Screen Studio requires a paid membership to export videos, while FocuSee allows you to export one video completely free with a watermark and no restrictions on quality, length, or format. This gives you the perfect opportunity to thoroughly test the software and make absolutely sure it fully meets all your needs before making a confident and informed purchase decision. Now that you've seen the differences between the two, let's take a closer look at FocuSee's features. When you launch FocuSee, a pop-up window lets you choose from 3 recording modes: full screen, custom, or window. You can also configure system audio and microphone settings here. For example, if you select custom mode, simply select the area and click the button to start recording. After a 3-second countdown, recording begins. During the process, you can restart, delete, or pause at any time to suit your needs. Once recording is complete, FocuSee automatically converts it into a polished video. On top of that, the software comes with a rich set of editing tools to help you create high-quality videos, including editing tools. 1. Video enhancement. Resize for different platforms or replace the background in one click. 2. Cursor effects. Adjust size, style, add click highlights and sound effects. 3. Animation. Apply zoom, screen, or cursor motion blur for a dynamic look. 4. Camera. Adjust position, size, corners, filters, or switch to full-screen webcam. Remove or blur messy backgrounds for a cleaner view. Built-in AI features. FocuSee comes with a variety of powerful AI tools that greatly improve both the efficiency and quality of video creation. 1. Camera background removal. Instantly blur or remove your camera background for a cleaner, more professional look. 2. Voice enhancement. Automatically optimizes audio for clearer, more natural sound. 3. Smart Cut. removes silence and filler words automatically, making your videos more concise and engaging. 4. AI Avatars offers a wide selection of virtual characters, perfect for personalized presentations or replacing live appearances. 5. AI Subtitles generates accurate, multilingual subtitles to improve accessibility and expand your video's reach. Additional features. You can add watermarks as needed, control audio settings to enhance system sound or microphone input, or switch to mute mode. During recording, shortcut key displays are supported, making it easier to create tutorial videos. For editing, you can crop, cut, and highlight key points with spotlight effects, or use mosaic to hide sensitive information. The zoom feature lets you freely adjust size and position to emphasize details. Mouse clicks are automatically highlighted with zoom in effects, which can be adjusted or removed later in the timeline. Basic timeline editing is also supported. Once editing is complete, you can export your video with customized resolution, format, and storage location. Overall, FocuSee is thoughtfully designed to meet user needs. With its affordable pricing, cross-platform support, versatile recording modes, powerful editing tools, and extensive customization options, it delivers excellent value. By comparison, Screen Studio, while focused solely on macOS and also supporting iOS device recording, offers its own strengths, particularly in design and user experience. If you're looking for a comprehensive, easy-to-use, and cost-effective recording tool, FocuSee is definitely worth trying. It delivers an efficient and high-quality recording experience. Download and try it today to start your new creative journey. Thank you for watching. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up.